Hi everybody, this is DJ with Infusion Pressure Washing, doing an RV here. As you can see, this is what it was looking like. I'll give you a run around. So it was filthy all the way around. And move my thumb out the way. We do RVs also. Back was totally filthy. I'll just go around to the side and show you how bad it was, how bad it is. So this is algae on that side. As you can see, the top, all that concrete. I will post another video here shortly showing how clean it will be. There's the top. We do from the roof down. We get the driveway nice and sparkly. If you have any needs, pressure washing needs, we clean out gutters, clean yards. We do RVs, mobile homes, etc., etc. You can contact us at 813-298-2371 or area code 386-777-6515. All right, thanks y'all. Have a great day. Bye bye.